What's up everybody, it's Shaky, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own cryptocurrency. Now there are a few reasons why you might want to make your own cryptocurrency, like you might want to someday make money off your currency, or use it as a reward for your kids to allow them to get something. Or maybe you're designing your own game and you want currency that people earn by playing. But without further ado, let's get to it.
This process is fairly easy and should take about 10 minutes tops. First thing you're wanting to do is install MetaMask. Go to metamask.io and then hit download now. All of the links will be in the description. After the page loads, you should see install MetaMask for and then your browser name. Click on that. It will open in a new tab and then hit add to browser. After it finishes installing, it should open in a new tab. Just click Get Started and continue through the setup process. Next, you're going to be needing at least $5 worth of Ethereum for the gas fees. I will be using a test network, so I won't have fees to pay, but my currency won't be a real currency. After you have your Ethereum in MetaMask, you're going to head over to remix.ethereum.org. After Remix loads, click on the Create New File button and create a file called token.sol. Then go to the GitHub link in the description and copy and paste the code to Remix. After you paste the code, you have to change the currency name and symbol. Here I'll use the name Jake and the symbol also Jake. After you do that, you need to compile the contract. So head over to the Compile tab. Keep your compile version at 0.8.0 and hit compile token.sol. After the contract compiles, head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Then set your environment to Injected Web3. This will normally open MetaMask asking you to confirm this, but I've already done that, so I don't need to. Next to the Deploy button, type in how many of your token you want. I would just take 100. Then hit Deploy. This will open MetaMask asking you to pay a small fee. Hit confirm on the fee. Then wait for your contract address to appear. And there, the contract finished deploying. Now I have my contract address. Copy your contract address and then head back to MetaMask. Click on Import Tokens and then paste in your contract address. This should auto-detect the name of your token. Then hit Import Tokens. And there we go, here is my 100 Jake that I just created. And it also is kind of cool to create a cryptocurrency because you can flex on your friends and say, I've made my own cryptocurrency. And that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you learned something and see you later.